May mga na-encounter na ba kayo? And how did you handle the situation?
Awa ng Diyos po, I've never had that experience. I don't think Ellie has ever had that experience. Pero it has to stop. Marami po akong naririnig, it's industry secret that only industry people know about mostly. Pero it has to stop. If you have a dream, stop trying, to take the shortcut. If you know what I mean. If you have a dream, you work hard. You have to work hard. You cannot take shortcuts just to get you up there. And being sexually used. And I think people who have experienced this come forward. Come forward.
So, nung magbuhay ka, walang nag-offer sa'yo na kung gusto mong sumikat agad?
I mean, kung meron man po mag-offer sa akin, I will not. I love my craft and I'm not going to, sacrifice my dignity just for this industry.
Pero may mga kakilala ka na...
Not personal friends or anything. Wala po akong kaibigan na nakaranas ko ng ganun. Pero I have heard about a few others. Pero I will not say, of course. It's not my story.
Hindi ka na parang ang tawag dito, na-dismaya na may mga ganito. And yung parang ayoko nang tumuloy sa showbiz kasi may mga ganito pa.
Nakakadismaya po talaga. This should not even be, a topic that's talked about. It shouldn't even exist, honestly. Pero, wala eh. There's always two sides to everything. There's the good and the bad. Nasa sa'yo po kung paano mo, how you will stay away from it, how you will deal with it, if you have
How about indecent proposals from mga authorities? Wala rin naman.
wala rin.
Co-actors.
Na ano po?
Wala.
Wala.
So, paano mo i-handle yun? Just in case na meron magano sa'yo? May mag-attend.
Malaki po yung pangako. I'm going to come forward. I'm sorry. I cannot stay quiet about this. And, bahala na. But I cannot stay quiet about it.
Si Ellie, ganyan.
May silang naman sasabihin ko dito, yung mga ganun na tao, yung mga salbahing taong ganun. Kilala niyo naman kung sino kayo, kung nasama naman kayo, kung na kayo magpakita sa mundo ito, at saka sana bumalik sa inyo yung kung ano mong ginawa.
So ikaw, LA, wala ka lang na-experience na director or anyone from the production na, alam mo, nag-take advantage sa'yo? Kasi syempre gwapo ka eh.
Wala po, pero kung may makita lang ako na kahit hindi ko ganun kamusta, pero makita kong ginaganon siya, talagang poprotektahan ko yung tao. Saka, hindi kasi deserve eh, ang tao ginaganon. Saka, it's sad knowing po na dito sa industriya natin, maraming ganun kasi. Maraming madilim tao na sadly to say. Kaya, yun nga, yung mga taong ganun, alam niyo na kung sino kayo, babalik din sa inyo.
So wala ka rin mga personal encounters na sa mga kaibigan?
Wala po, dahil kung meron man, makakarinig sila sa akin.
Okay, Diego pa na.